In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert curly brackets in a document using your keyboard on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I want to show you how I was able to insert this opening curly bracket here and also the closing curly brackets here. I'll first go ahead and delete them so that I can show you. Now to insert the opening curly bracket, we are going to use this first key just after letter P. So you can see we have two types of brackets there. We have a square bracket and a curly bracket. Now if I go ahead and tap on the key like that, it will insert a square bracket and not a curly bracket. So for my case, I don't want the square bracket, but I want a curly bracket, and curly brackets are usually or commonly inserted in mathematical expressions. To insert the curly brackets, all we need to do is to change the function of this key just after letter P. And don't worry if you can't see the curly bracket sign on your key. Still, if you go ahead and use this key, you will still be able to insert the curly bracket by following the instructions. Now to insert it, we need to go ahead and change the function of this key by pressing the shift key, one of the shift keys on your keyboard, and then go ahead and now tap on this key. You can see now it has inserted the curly bracket. Now as long as the shift key is pressed down, if you tap on this key, it will always insert curly bracket. So that is an opening curly bracket. What about the closing bracket? To insert the closing curly bracket, head to the end of the document or the word and insert the cursor where you want to insert the curly bracket, and for my case I want to insert it at the end here. And for this now we shall use the next key after the opening curly bracket, so we shall use this key. And still if we tap on it, it will insert a square bracket and not a curly bracket. So to insert it, we need to go ahead and press down the shift key and then tap on this key. As long as the shift key is pressed down, it will insert the curly bracket. So that's how you can insert the opening and closing curly bracket on your mathematical expression or on your document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.